This guide will help you set up a Workspot desktop pool for EC2. Start by going to Resources, then Cloud Desktop Pools, and click Add Pool. Choose your EC2 cloud configuration. Next, pick your pool usage type and desktop pool type. Select a template and your availability zone and subnet. Choose the VM class, the disk class, and specify the disk size. Determine the security group. Enter a name for both the desktop pool and pool display name. Decide on the number of desktops you want to provision. Name the desktops and select any other optional parameters that you may need. Choose a gateway configuration and adjust any additional policy choices and options as required. To finalize, click Create and then confirm with Yes, Update.